Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tails for privacy first boot and access step by step clearly. Turn on your computer. Insert your Tails USB stick or DVD. Select the USB or DVD option in your BIOS menu. Press the appropriate key to enter the BIOS, usually F2, F12, or delete. Choose the Tails USB or DVD as the boot device. Save the changes and exit the BIOS menu. Wait for Tails to load its welcome screen. Choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Click on the Start Tails button. Wait for the Tails operating system to boot. When the desktop appears, you'll see the greeter. Read the welcome message to familiarize yourself with Tails. If prompted, you can adjust the settings related to the internet connection. When ready, click Start Tails. Wait for Tails to initiate, which may take a few moments. You will land on the Tails desktop once the startup is complete. Now, locate the Tor browser icon on the desktop. Double-click the Tor browser icon to open it. Wait for the Tor browser to connect to the Tor network. Once connected, you can start browsing securely and privately. To log out, go to the top right corner and click the power icon. Select Shutdown to end your Tails session. Remember to also safely remove your USB stick or DVD afterward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.